Welcome to the SIRS tutorial video. This video will show you how to log into SIRS, the Student Information and Registration System for MVCC, so that you can check your current class schedule, unofficial transcript, and order your official transcript to be sent to your chosen institution. To begin, go to mvcc.edu, hover over the current students icon. On the current student's homepage, click on the SIRS icon toward the bottom of the page. On the SIRS page, click on the skeleton key titled Login to Secure Area. This will bring you to the user login page. Here you will enter your username and PIN, which should have been emailed to you by the Dual Credit Office. If you have not received these, please contact the Dual Credit Department at dualcredit@mvcc.edu. First, enter your user ID. Next, enter your PIN. Then click Login. Once you are logged in, there are a variety of screens you may see. It is likely you will be asked to participate in a few surveys. Please follow directions in completing these. Once you are on the main menu, you are able to update personal information as well as access your academic records. To access your current dual credit schedule, please click Registration menu. Then click on View Your Student Schedule Information. To return to the main menu, click Return to Main Menu. To view your MVCC transcript, click on Academic Records menu and click on Academic Unofficial Transcript. To order official transcript to be sent to your college, you will click on Order Official Transcript. Then return to the main menu so you can access all other features of SIRS.